Let us see whether half-cooked egg is safe for consumption. Raw eggs are considered healthy and hence many people add them to milk and consume. Some people also have a taste for runny yolk and love to have half-cooked eggs. In fact, uncooked egg whites are part of cream cakes and mayonnaise. But we may be exposing ourselves to dangerous bacteria that may cause food poisoning. Raw eggs have almost same health benefits as cooked eggs. The cooked eggs don't have the risk of salmonella, a type of harmful bacteria present in eggs. Raw or undercooked eggs can get contaminated by salmonella either because the hen that laid the egg was infected with the bacteria, or because the egg was laid in unsanitary conditions. But cooking eggs will kill any lingering bacteria, as they cannot survive in heat. Salmonella can be dangerous and causes food poisoning, gastrointestinal distress, diarrhea, abdominal cramping and fever. Consuming raw eggs has been linked to biotin deficiency. Eggs are a great source of biotin, water-soluble vitamin B, and raw egg white contains the protein avidin. Avidin binds to biotin and blocks the absorption of biotin in the digestive tract. Cooking an egg will destroy the binding power of avidin. However, it's unlikely to cause deficiency unless you eat a lot of raw eggs. Young children, elderly people, and pregnant ladies should strictly avoid raw eggs. One can never say that raw eggs are 100% safe. There can be small risk of raw eggs contaminated with bacteria, but buying the pasteurized eggs will only help in reducing this risk.